Hey, it's Paul Bollenback, and I'm here today to talk to you about picking. I'm going to give you 5 or 6 different exercises that I found very useful over the years, both for maintenance, keeping your picking strong, and also for developing better coordination. It's possible to change your whole picking strategy and still maintain. Sometimes your playing will do a little dip and then it'll come back up. When I'm changing things in my right hand or my left hand, these are mechanical, physical things. So if you're picking up, I call it leading edge meaning, say, the one that's to the left, going towards the neck. If that's up like this, and you have sort of a George Benson-ish style, that's cool. And if it's down like this, that's also fine. What you want to do is find the most comfortable way to do it. This, I'm not sure it feels the same as if I'm doing this. Just even for the right hand, the tension feels a little different somehow. Down, up, so that's sort of the outside of the string, if you can check it out. Let's see, that should do it. So down, up, I think of it as being, it's a pretty far distance to travel, and that's maybe one of the most difficult ones, right? Down, down. You say, well, that doesn't do you much good when you're going back, and you're right about that, but it's great when you're going down. So that you can see that there's some direct correlation into actually improvising. Pick, pull off, pick, pull off, pull off. So you get this. If you get good at it, it's what we're talking about. I'm allowing the weight of my hand to go into the string. So in order to get a stroke, this is going to be exaggerated and it's going to sound pretty terrible, but in order to get a stroke, what I'm going to do instead of pushing the string is it's ready to go. It's cocked like a bowstring, and I'm just going to relax my hand, my right hand. Now, I went pretty far away. That's too far away. But you can see the string just kind of snaps back. Now, I don't need that much. I could do just a little bit. You won't see it as clearly. If you look up here, you'll see the string moving a little bit. Yeah, there we go.